Most people get this wrong and end up either getting scammed or selling their gift cards for way less than they should. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is rushing to the first buyer you find online. That's exactly how people lose value or receive fake payment promises. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, you can safely turn unwanted gift cards into real cash. But only if you use the right apps and understand how pricing actually works. The goal is not just to sell fast, it's to sell safely and at a fair rate. In this video, you'll learn the best apps to sell gift cards, how payouts work, and how to avoid scams completely. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the mistake Alex made that cost him 30% of his card value in under 5 minutes. Let's start simple. When you sell a gift card, you are basically exchanging it for cash at a slightly lower value. So, a $100 card might sell for $80 to $92 depending on demand. That difference is how these platforms operate. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all apps work the same way. Some focus on instant payouts, while others focus on higher resale value, but take longer to process. First are verified gift card marketplaces. These platforms connect sellers with buyers, and usually offer the safest environment. You upload your card details. The system verifies it. And once confirmed, you receive payment through PayPal, bank transfer, or crypto depending on the platform. Second are cashback and rewards-based apps. These are more indirect, but they let you convert points into gift cards or cash over time. They're slower, but very safe for beginners who don't want to risk direct selling. Third are peer-to-peer trading platforms. These can offer higher payouts. But here's the problem. You need to be extremely careful. Without proper escrow protection, you can easily get tricked by fake buyers. Now let's talk about safety. John once sold a $50 card on a random social media group and never received payment. No support, no refund, nothing. That's why verified apps matter more than high offers. To avoid mistakes, always check 3 things before selling. First, does the platform hold payment in escrow? Second, does it verify buyers? Third, does it show real user reviews outside the app itself? Now here's a quick strategy that works well. Alex used a combination approach. He listed his card on a verified marketplace and compared it with a second app. He didn't rush. He waited for the best verified offer instead of the fastest one. That alone increased his payout by nearly 12%. Also avoid giving full gift card details before verification is complete. Only trusted platforms should ever see your full code at the final step. So yes, you can turn unwanted gift cards into real cash in 2026. But only if you use safe apps and avoid risky shortcuts. To wrap it up, remember this. Verified apps protect your money. Patience increases your payout, and scams always come from rushed decisions. If this helped you, hit like, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more safe money tips and app guides.